Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of slope-intercept form. This is standard 7.7a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 40 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Nicholas is buying shirts for his baseball team. So he's got $9.50 for each shirt plus a one-time fee of $22.50 for the design. So we need to find this equation here. Obviously we're going to be using these two terms, $9.50 and $22.50, which in our FGH and J just shows up as 9.5 and 22.5. We don't really need the zero in the hundreds place. But we need to find an equation to use. And we've got x's and y's. So y is the total cost, and then x represents the number of shirts. So let's see if we can figure this out real quick. And I want to just make a little table. All right, so we have y, which is going to be our total cost. And let's just say we've got x, which is going to be our shirts. And then we've got this this fee, one-time fee. We got to keep that in mind as well. So we're just paying for the fee and paying for the shirts. All right, so let's see what happens if I buy 0 shirts. Well, that's going to be pretty simple. That's going to cost $0 because I'm not paying $9.50. I do have to pay $22.50, so I'll go ahead and put that 22.5 right here. So that's going to be 22.5. If my x is 0, my y is 22.5. And so that should make us think of an xy coordinate plane right here. And so here's my y, here's my x. If I don't buy any shirts, I've still got to pay 22.5. Let's say that's where that is. That's going to be my y-intercept. Because even when my x is 0, I'm still paying $22.50 to design the shirts. Now, let's say I buy 1 shirt. All right, so that's going to be $9.50. Right, so if I buy 1 shirt, I'm going to pay $9.50 plus still have to keep up with that $22.50 for the one-time fee. So that is going to be, I'm going to take that 50 to the 9.5, make that 10. 10 and 22 is going to be $32. We'll make it 32. Yeah, we'll just make it 32. So if I were to say I were to buy 1 shirt right here, it's going to go up to, I don't know, let's make that 32 right up there. So you see how my slope is going up quite a bit here, and I can start connecting my line. Let's do one more, and we'll see how we can turn this into an equation. So let's say I buy 2 shirts. So 2 shirts is going to be, let's see, $9.50 and $9.50 is going to be $19. And I'm still paying that $22.50. So I really don't like paying that $22.50, but if I buy 10 shirts, 20 shirts, it doesn't seem so big. Right now, I'm still paying more for the one-time fee than I am for the shirts if I only buy 2. So if I put those two together, $22.50 and 19, let's see what I'm going to get there. 22.50, 19, I'm going to get 41.50. So I could just keep going, but you see how we keep getting bigger and bigger. I'm kind of off my graph, so I have to extend it there, 41.5. All right, so that's kind of what that looks like right there. How can I turn this into an equation? Well, my slope, right? My slope, which is my rise over my run, what is it changing? Well, every time I get another shirt, I'm changing because I'm multiplying it by 950. So that 950 is my slope. My y-intercept is my b, my one-time fee. What did I have to pay that one time? 22.5. So that is going to be F.